Good morning, everyone. Today we'll have our English presentations. Who wants to go first?
Sir, I want to say something.
Yes, please. What's on your mind?
Sir, I'm afraid to speak English in front of people. My hands are shaking. My voice is not coming out.
I see. You feel nervous right now, right?
Yes, sir, I'm shaking. My heart is beating so fast. Everyone is looking at me. I'm scared they will laugh if I say something wrong.
I understand. You're afraid because you think people will laugh at your mistakes.
Yes, sir. I feel small. When I stand in front of the class, my mind becomes empty. I forget all the words I learned.
That happens to many students. You're not alone. Even I felt the same when I was young.
Really, sir? You were afraid too?
Yes, I was. I still remember my first English presentation. My voice was shaking, my face was red, and I wanted to run away.
That sounds like me right now.
See? We all start somewhere. Fear is part of learning. It means you care.
But, sir, I feel like I'm the only one who can't do it. Everyone speaks so easily. They look so confident.
That's not true. They also feel nervous, but they hide it. Everyone is learning. You are learning. You are growing.
I want to be confident too, sir. But every time I try, my English sounds strange. I feel embarrassed.
Don't worry about sounding perfect. English is not about perfection. It's about connection.
Connection?
Yes. When you speak, don't think about grammar first. Think about your heart. Think about sharing a message.
I see. But how can I speak without fear?
By speaking with your fear, not fighting it. Look, let's take a deep breath together.
Okay.
Good. Now, tell me what's happening right now. What are you doing?
I'm standing in front of you.
Good. You're using present continuous. You're saying what's happening now. I'm standing. Perfect.
Oh, I didn't even notice that.
That's how we learn, naturally. Try more. What else are you doing?
I'm holding my paper. I'm looking at my classmates.
Excellent. You're already speaking. See? You're not frozen anymore.
You're right. I'm speaking now.
Yes, and you're doing great. You're using the present continuous. It helps you describe actions happening right now.
So when I say I'm breathing or I'm thinking, it means it's happening now?
Exactly. I'm breathing. I'm learning. I'm speaking. These show what's happening in this moment.
That feels simple. I can say what I see or feel.
Yes. Let's practice gently. Tell me, what are you doing now?
I'm listening to you.
Great. What am I doing?
You're helping me.
Perfect. You're already improving.
I'm smiling.
Beautiful. Keep going. What else are you doing?
I'm feeling a little braver.
That's the best sentence so far. I'm feeling braver. Can you feel the change in your heart?
Yes, sir. I'm not shaking as much now. I'm speaking slowly, but I'm speaking.
That's wonderful. Every time you speak, your fear becomes smaller.
I think so. When I focus on what I'm doing, like I'm talking, I'm learning, I'm improving, I feel calm.
Exactly. Language brings awareness. It makes your fear visible. And when you see it, it loses power.
That's beautiful, sir. I never thought English could help me feel stronger inside.
That's what real learning is. It's not just about words, it's about courage.
I'm starting to understand that.
Let's keep practicing slowly. Remember, English is not a test. It's a journey.
A journey. I like that. Sometimes I forget it's okay to take time.
Yes, you're learning, not performing. So, tell me, what are you doing now?
I'm breathing slowly. I'm standing tall.
Wonderful. What are your classmates doing?
They're listening to us. Some of them are smiling.
Good. Describe the classroom. What's happening around you?
The fans are turning. The light is shining on the board. You are standing near the desk.
Excellent observation. You're living in English now. You're seeing, feeling, and saying it.
It feels nice. I'm not thinking too much. I'm just saying what I see.
That's how fluency begins, by noticing life in English.
I like that.
Let's make it a little more real. Imagine this. You're standing in front of the class, ready to give your presentation.
Oh, that's the scary part.
It's okay. I'm here. Just imagine, what are you doing right now?
I'm holding my paper. I'm trying to smile.
Good. And what are you thinking?
I'm thinking everyone is watching me.
Yes, they are watching, but with interest, not judgment.
Really?
Of course! They're curious about what you'll say. You have something valuable to share.
I'm trying to believe that.
You're already doing it. You're speaking your feelings in English. That's real communication.
So, if I make a mistake, it's okay?
Yes, you're learning. Mistakes are signs that you're trying.
Okay. I'm trying to relax. I'm breathing in and out.
Good. Now, imagine you start your presentation. What's your first sentence?
Softly, good morning, everyone. My name is Anna.
Perfect. Continue. What are you talking about?
I'm talking about my favorite hobby. I'm showing some pictures.
Beautiful. What's your hobby?
I love drawing. When I draw, I feel calm.
So you can say, I'm drawing in my free time. I'm feeling happy.
I'm drawing in my free time. I'm feeling happy.
See? You're already giving a speech.
Maybe I am.
Tell me more. What are you drawing these days?
I'm drawing people, faces, and small moments. I'm learning to draw emotions.
That's wonderful. You're not only learning English, you're learning to express your heart.
I'm starting to feel proud.
You should. Look at you now, standing straight, speaking clearly.
I'm speaking without reading. I'm not looking at my paper anymore.
Exactly. You're living the present continuous. You're speaking, you're smiling, you're changing.
I'm changing. I like that.
Can you feel the difference from the beginning?
Yes. Before I was shaking. Now I'm calm. I'm focused.
That's your transformation. Fear is leaving, and confidence is entering.
I think I'm not afraid anymore.
Say that again.
I'm not afraid anymore. I'm speaking English. I'm learning.
Wonderful. That's your truth. English is no longer your fear, it's your friend.
Yes, sir. I'm speaking English with feeling now.
That's the secret. You don't speak for grammar, you speak from the heart.
I understand now. When I say I'm speaking, it means I'm alive in English.
Exactly. And every sentence is a small victory.
I'm proud of myself. I never thought I could do this.
You can, and you just did.
All right, Anna. Now you're ready. Go to the front of the class and speak. I'll be right here.
Okay. I'm walking to the front. I'm standing in front of everyone.
Good. What are you feeling?
I'm feeling nervous, but also brave.
That's a beautiful mix. Fear and courage often walk together.
I like that. Okay, I'll start now.
Go ahead.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Anna. Today, I'm talking about my favorite hobby, drawing. I'm showing my pictures. I'm feeling happy because drawing helps me express myself.
Perfect. Keep going.
When I draw, I'm listening to music. I'm thinking about my family, my friends, and my dreams. I'm trying to draw love and peace.
Beautiful words, Anna.
Everyone is quiet. They're listening to me.
Yes, they're listening because you're speaking with your heart.
I'm smiling. I'm speaking slowly and clearly. I'm not afraid anymore.
Look at you. This is your transformation moment.
I'm speaking English in front of people. I can't believe it.
You see? You're living your progress. The grammar we practiced isn't just grammar, it's your courage in action.
Thank you, sir. You helped me believe I can do it.
You did it yourself. I only showed you the mirror. You faced your fear.
I think I'm starting to love English now.
That's the goal. When love replaces fear, learning becomes joy.
I understand now. English is not a monster. It's a bridge.
Exactly. A bridge to new people, new stories, new dreams.
I'm standing here, speaking, smiling, and I feel alive.
That's the sound of healing.
Healing?
Yes. Every word you speak with courage heals the old part of you, the one who felt small and silent.
That's beautiful, sir. I'm feeling proud and light.
You should. You turned fear into freedom. Remember this moment.
I will.
So, Anna, what will you tell yourself next time fear comes?
I'll say, I'm learning, I'm speaking, I'm improving.
Perfect. That's your mantra. Say it again. Slowly.
I'm learning, I'm speaking, I'm improving.
Once more.
I'm learning, I'm speaking, I'm improving.
Wonderful. And how do you feel now?
I'm feeling confident. I'm smiling from my heart.
That's all I wanted to see. Your true self shining through your words.
Thank you, sir. You made me believe that it's okay to be slow, to be scared, and still speak.
Yes, because bravery doesn't mean you're never afraid. It means you speak even when you are.
That's powerful. I'm speaking even when I'm afraid.
Good. That's how courage grows, word by word.
I'm learning English, but I think I'm also learning about myself.
That's the real lesson. English is not just a language, it's a mirror that shows who you're becoming.
I'm becoming confident. I'm becoming brave.
And that's the most beautiful transformation of all.
Thank you, sir. I'll never forget this moment.
You don't have to. It's inside you now. Every time you speak, you'll remember how far you've come.
Let's finish with our mantra together. Ready?
Ready. I'm learning. I'm speaking. I'm improving.
Again.
I'm learning. I'm speaking. I'm improving.
And one last time, with a smile.
I'm learning. I'm speaking. I'm improving.
That's it. You spoke with feeling, not fear.
Yes, sir. I'm not afraid to speak anymore.